my people?
Hi.
Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on where you're watching us from, we are back again to our channel, Igbbo channel. Hope we are keeping safe. Hope we are practicing. Because practice makes perfect. Okay? Please, can you greet our people?
Ekele
Ndewo. Please, can you greet our people? Ndewo. Today we are going to respond to those greetings we learned last time. We will also say them in plural and also learn more greetings. Okay? I know you might be expecting something more than greetings. Never mind. Don't worry, we'll get there. Okay? We can't count 10 without counting 1. Gradually, we will get there. Alright? Let's begin. Hello. Hello or hi. Hello or hi. Ndewo. Ndewo in Igbo. Ndewo. In Igbo plural, how do you say it in Igbo plural?
Ndewon.
Ndewon. Ndewon. Okay. How are you? How are you? Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? How do you say it in Igbo plural?
Kedu ka unu mere?
Sometimes you might hear kekwan, kedi, kekede, keki mere. All this keke is about knowing how you are doing, acting after you, how you are faring. Okay? In Igbo plural, we say kedi ka unu mere. Okay? We are talking to more than one person. Alright? I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. How do you say it in Igbo plural?
Anyị dị mma.
Anyị dị mma. Okay? I am fine. Ademma, we are fine. Anyị dị mma. Okay? How about you? Gịkwan. In Igbo plural, unukwan. Unukwan. Okay? Welcome. No. Welcome. No. How do you say it in Igbo plural?
None.
None. Okay? None. And the person will say, thank you. You are welcoming someone. No. Welcome. No. The person will say, thank you. Thank you. In Igbo,
Mela.
Good morning. Good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. In Igbo plural,
Ụtụtụ ọma.
ụtụtụ ọma no. Good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. In Igbo plural,
Ehihie ọma.
ehihie ọma no. Always remember the NU at the end. Ehihie ọma no. Good evening. Good evening. Mgbede ọma. How do you say it in Igbo plural?
Mgbede ọma.
Mgbede ọma no. Good night. Good night. Abalị ọma. Abalị ọma. How do you say it in Igbo plural?
Abalị ọma.
Abalị ọma no. But on a day-to-day basis, we also use good night. We also use good night as kachifo. We use it as kachifo. In Igbo plural, how do you say it?
Kachifonu.
Kachifonu. Kachifonu. The person will reply, Kaobono. Kaobono. Singular kaobo, plural kaobono. Okay? Hope we are learning something today. When you say goodbye, goodbye, kemesia. Goodbye, kemesia. In Igbo plural, how do you say it?
Kemesiano.
Kemesiano. Or kaode. In Igbo plural, how do you say kaode in Igbo plural? Kaodenu. Kaodenu. Okay? See you later. See you later. Kaode mgbe ọzọ. How do you say it in Igbo plural?
Kaodenu mgbe ọzọ.
These are the new greetings we are learning today, okay? These are the new greetings, okay? Thank you. In Igbo, imeela. Thank you, imeela. How do you say it in Igbo plural?
Unu emeela.
Unu emeela. Unu emeela. Well done. Well done. Imere nke ọma. Imere nke ọma. How do you say it in Igbo plural?
Unu mere nke ọma.
You can also hear dalo, jisike. Well done is like when someone, like you pass your exam or you did well in academic year. Igbo land. Igbo, we are one, but we speak differently. Okay? Igbo bụ otu, mana Igbo na-asụ n'ire n'ire. Thank you, imeela. Thank you, imeela. How do you say it in the Igbo plural?
Unu emeela.
Unu emeela. Are you okay? Are you okay? Edekwa mma. Edekwa mma. How do you say it in Igbo plural?
Unu adịkwa mma.
Yes, I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine. How do you say it in Igbo singular? Adị m mma. Yes, we are fine. Yes, we are fine. To more than one person. How do you say it in Igbo plural?
Anyị dị mma.
And you? Igbo singular.
Gịkwan.
And you people, and you guys, Igbo plural.
Unukwan.
Unukwan. Okay. Safe journey. Safe journey. Ijeoma. Ijeoma. How do you say it in Igbo plural?
Ijeoma.
Ijeoma. Go well. Go well. How do you say it in Igbo singular?
Jee nke ọma.
Jee nke ọma. How do you say it in Igbo plural?
Jeenụ nke ọma.
Jeenụ nke ọma. Please, my people, hope you learn something. Hope you learn something today. Keep practicing at home. It will help you. It's so helpful when you practice at home. Parents, remember my word. Always practice with your children. It will really help them. Okay? Keep practicing because practice makes perfect. Igbo onye Igbo.
Igbo amaka.
Igbo dị mma. Asụa Igbo. Ka ọ dị na mgbe ọzọ, na ọ dị na mma. See you later, okay?
Bye.
See you next time. See you on our next video. Bye.
Ukwu na mogodo adịrọ mma igba ọtọ manchanụ onye biri ibe nye biri nwata ga-eso n'iru nne ya ọfọ ndị oge egebi ụmụaka ebiri